another beautiful day. Coming to prepare my light soup. This is sharp parsley one. So over here I've got salted beef. This is chicken. I've cleaned it very nicely. So I've got chicken. This is hard chicken and salted beef. Yeah, I've washed it, soak it very nice. If you want salted beef, kindly contact Hilda's Kitchen on 0799099527. Don't skip through the video. I don't like the way it is, so I'm going to fold it very nice, like the way they do it in Africa. Yes, voila, very nice and cute. So basically I've got my ginger, onion, black pepper, garlic over here. Blend them very nicely, and I'm going to steam the skin. Simple recipes are always great from Hilda's Kitchen. Guys, like this video, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do. Say Pizzy Ban Papa, oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen, oh yeah, Ziban Papa, or Kodo. Why come up fine? Like a shim, come after 5 minutes. So I'm functioning too. Still haven't added any salt for now because of the salted beef. Okay, so the second step, this is chopped tomatoes, carrots, and baby spinach. Chopped tomatoes, carrots, and baby spinach. So we have chopped tomatoes, carrots, and baby spinach. You know, nam was swim wom. Oyen kakra or 300 level, or level 300. I'm going to allow this to cook for at least extra 10 minutes. Not sure the nyamano, nzamano, enwa. On tobano, on henny, no. Charlie, this is for my Sunday fufu as usual. Means I'll go to I didn't try. Yes. Vibes, womb, obey the rough. Don't skip through this. It was after 10 minutes, yes. Zaman wakukumu fine. This is smoked ankle say. I sell some pocho here or a smoked fish. Wherever you want to be. Yes, obina. Is it to fufu no da? Then I divide them. Pokusuo tuna. Can't go without this kaku salted fish. So why I on the papa? Now adding the water. This is hot water. Make your life easier. We are set for tomorrow after church. I've told you many times when you prepare soup, try as much as possible to allow it, to drain is actually allow the soup to rest. And I shall rest kakra. So don't forget to give me the thumbs up, baby. This is optional. Pure tomatoes here. And by force. If you don't have, don't stress. But trust me, this soup, must say over level 300. I'm telling you, allow it to cook and finish. You see how the fufu is going to be cry with the softness of the soft cement. Baby. As you can see, almost for me in Wabin, because manual for 35 minutes, and I wouldn't like the meat to become too soft, because obviously tomorrow when I'm making my fufu, I will also warm it, so you wouldn't like your meat to be too soggy. You was sent here when I'm already in the air and I'm set. So my soup is ready, and thank you so much, guys, for your time and everything in the way work bubbles na kufum boko. Yeah. If you love watching or if you are happy to see what you seeing now, the singingization now, can you give me the thumbs up? Like this video, share to the youth. Our youth, they love our soup. But the thing is, how are they going to learn? Unless you make Hilda's Kitchen video or go viral, that's where they will be also learn how to cook. Yes, or the woman bonjidati. Was I one eye, one support zemri no ye, or Ghana man, or boy and a man, or boy baby, ye will be ala. One support your own. Subscribe, like, and share. And God bless you, pa from Oyezi Banapapa. Hey guys, this is Hilda's Kitchen back again to your screens. Yeah, as you can see, this is not a benkono, it's light soup made with a very wonderful, mysterious vegetables. Yeah, so kindly stay here with me. What or how are you going to eat the soup? What would you like to eat with it? Fufu, rice, boiled plantain, whatever. This soup can easily pair with any food. I'm telling you, any food. I don't mind eating rice with light soup. I love it. I love it. Where are my Nzema people? Oh, but you do rough. Don't skip through the video. Let's just stay here and let's cook together. Mom, when you do this, it's for Sunday fufu. Now I'm good American and the Mayaman Kakra lights one be. Set us into Centuria. Wait, don't skip through the video. Should the way me young Quani Namquani I have condoned American fufu. Fufu is in Port Shower, Hilda's Kitchen. Momezin or a potato, Namanka summers amount of potato starch and the corn starch. Mezafra, the amount of me pen, na mezafra, set us me. Phone was in as an iron, no bonayamazin at the same time. Your door soon, on soon, papa, or record. Shimbe fufuya saya kondo na waswa a baby said, how do you do it? Or record papa, shumoso. Kondo na estal baby she, baby. Shahaswa. Yeah, light soup being so. Voila, it's happening life. You ended and I may and see why you know, and one can we show crack. Let me see, be facey food. Nkwani na muru na mi onde kosi erade yeda wase pa da mande etumi ye nuhia no nkwanam nkakra papa bi amaye meze carrots na spinach na meze ye na wala hwe na ehu so ye nkatenko so ya benko no chale style bia bi wom oboje do ankasa fufu na nkakra bi baye twist papa bi ezigbo cheloton for renam. I'm telling you, yes. Oh, what you is on a mudru. Oh, yeah, healthy food. Trust me, baby. It was for my easy after church easy. And kakra and nama wa honing in our cacoum, nama wa womb beef womb a cocoum. Ning I held this kitchen man and me and Walesha. My is benaries or damats nas and lele. Yes, oh, what you do, it's mom, when you do, I doesn't talk crazy. Fufu on Sundays is a sister. If you can, kindly don't mix out. Wow.